was in Hermes yesterday and picked up something new. A few of my recent shopping videos I tried on Precious Paradise a few times, but I didn't love the colorways, and you saw mostly florals, even though I liked the animals. When I was there yesterday, I saw this. This is the, oh my god. This is the Precious Paradise Twilly, and I love this colorway. I thought this hunter green was so pretty next to this magenta, and I loved that you really saw all of the animals very prominently. Here is the color code. Side note, these are the last 4 scarves that I've purchased. Definitely into the black background thing lately. While I was there, I also did find out that Precious Paradise is going to be released in a 45 next season. So if you didn't like the 90 either, and also don't love the Twilly, then next season is your season. Some blues here to match my top. I'm just going to grab this Hermes Twilly scarf ring. Sides through. And absolutely love it like this. And that's it.